I'm willing to take the chance. Maybe you should go and hide.
Yeah, I think I hear somebody. Yeah, that's gonna be my last video, guys. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna go back up here. Yeah, me neither. How's it looking, though? Great, I see another way, and I don't see anything. What do we have here? This is Alexander.
The one and only.
The one and only Alexander.
Actually the second.
Yeah.
Channel.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, let's
And we are going to this place here.
keep sunglasses on because
We have to keep low because there's
it's a fucking truck.
yeah, there's a truck.
Mate. Hey, there's a kitchen.
Kitchen.
That's nice.
Hey.
With no fridge.
I don't know if you see something, guys, but
Probably not. But it's blue and white.
it looks kinda abandoned.
Yeah, it sure does. Oh shit. Almost tripped. One thing though that I heard right now, it sounded like someone is in the building, but it's just
It's just a metal sheet.
yeah. And they're scaring the shit out of me.
Okay, a bunch of planks.
Yeah. Time to walk the plank, right?
Yeah,
This actually is a pretty good lot.
yeah. What?
I do wonder how this looks though. In the camera later.
Yeah, if my hair is not in the way of the camera.
Oh shit, it kinda is. Bro, you
Ouch!
yeah, I mean,
Ow! Oh, we have a door over here. Hey, what do we have here? He's trying to open that door. Here's the power, I think. A lamp. They look kind of new, like really new. Everything here looks new. Ladder, you can climb up here. Oh, wait. Maybe I will climb up here. We can see outdoors. Windows house. It really sounds like somebody's coming. Okay, now, is this stable so I don't fall down? Okay, it's not stable at all. So if I fall, that's gonna be bad for me, I suppose. Oh fuck, oh that's really bad. Hey, can you hold this ladder?
oh,
Yeah, can you hold this ladder? Because it's not stable at all. Hey, oof. Can you hold it? Thank you. Ooh, fuck. That's unstable.
I hope we can get into the office like this.
Yeah, probably.
You don't have to close the door there, right?
Okay. We could probably get inside the office from here.
Should we?
But
You want me to go first or what?
yeah, you have to see how it looks first.
Yeah, okay.
Because it doesn't look so easy to go in.
Well,
But if we really try.
that's why I'm the small one.
Yeah, you're the small one.
No, I don't have the same muscles as you do.
Okay. I'm just gonna go down. Sorry guys if it's black and you don't see anything, but you know, this GoPro ain't good.
I'm willing to take the chance. Maybe you should go and hide.
Yeah, I think I hear somebody.
Do you have your phone on you?
Yeah.
You got quiet. Alright.
Yeah, it sounds like somebody's coming all the time. That's bad. Because we can't actually say if somebody's coming or not. Because, yeah. And guys, I really apologize if you have my hair on your camera, because I cannot have control over that. That's bad. I know. That's the vent. You will probably... Wait, if he follows the vent, I think he will get out here. I think he will get to this point. And like nowhere else.
What's he going for?
Oh fuck.
It's okay.
Yeah, that's really scary. And it just like drops. Okay, oh, it's
What?
like no space here. Wait, I have to put on my jacket somehow.
Are you afraid of your jacket, you piece of shit?
No, I'm afraid of my shirt.
Maybe you should
Fuck that.
sip it.
Yeah, I want to sip it, but I'm gonna fall like backwards.
I got you, bro, I got you.
Okay.
I hope.
Yeah.
Let's continue.
I don't see anything. Okay, I'm zipping it.
Oh, good,
Okay,
you
I'm on
found-
my
you-
way
you
in.
found the hole. Great.
Yeah, thanks. Can I go first so I can
Yeah.
get the footage?
But if you check in there, you can see that it won't.
Oh fuck. Okay, it gets really small.
Yeah, I mean, I probably could fit in there, but I don't know about you.
Yeah, I would not fit in.
Well, if you want to take me, then you can just.
How much do you weigh?
Not far though. Maybe I should change position.
Yes. Change your sex position, please. If this feels like this is gonna like break, and I'm gonna fall with it and like die.
If you just take it one step at a time.
Just don't go right behind me.
Yeah, but just put your weight
Or
down.
you know what? Can you just wait on me here, like something?
Yeah, but
Yes.
if you just listen, take one
Yeah.
step,
Yeah.
and then you just feel the pressure. If you hear anything, just take it really slow.
Okay. It looks like kind of broken. In the okay. Wait here.
And wait, don't fall to my face right now, okay?
No, okay. I will not fart in your face.
Okay,
Oh fuck. Okay, it feels stable.
Yeah.
I'm not falling.
What did you say, mate?
I'm not falling anywhere.
No. Well, we don't know where you would fall if you fall, but
Yeah, it feels like it's going to fall.
I guess that would be good footage, right?
Yeah, good footage me dying.
Well, that would be the only video for a while then.
Yeah, that's gonna be my last video, guys. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna go back up here.
Yeah, me neither. How's it looking though?
Great, I see another way, and I don't see anything.
Yeah.
What do we have here? Nothing. Like, nothing. In the front though.
How does it look?
Like nothing. Literally.
Quiet. Yeah, you can talk.
Wait, I have to... Like, there is no way in the front. I will like get stuck.
What do you mean?
Because, you know, it's getting small, like really small.
Like over here?
No, worse.
No way. Well, maybe we should check the other vent out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna fit inside it, though.
Yeah, no. I meant the one that's like right in front of me here.
That one, in front of me.
No, in front of me. If I look out from the vent here.
You know how much shit I am breathing in right now?
Yeah, I know.
Dust.
I felt it as well.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna like back up. Oh.
Did you get any good footage?
Yeah. I guess so. Fuck my knees. And I don't like those screws sticking out too.
Yeah, those fuck my knees.
Yeah, now when I'm backing up. Yeah, that's what I meant.
You got that.
Fuck my jacket. I'm on it. Okay. Oh. What?
I'm still curious about that one.
That vent. I think it was. That would. Okay, that's sad we can't get there. I don't think the ladder is. No, we will not.
Maybe.
Okay,
Just maybe.
It feels great to be back here.
I want to check that orange out.
Oh,
If you show them.
that vent?
No, the orange one.
Which one?
That one, I want to know where it's
That one.
Yeah, I want to know where
I think it follows. It, I don't know where it goes. Come, we go check it out. We go check it out where we can lead. It sounds like somebody's coming. Hör du typ någon gräver någonting? Wait, check this door out. No, it's no. Okay. It like was kind of possible to open it, but the big triangle thing is blocking it. I think this is like too heavy, probably. There are people like outside here. That's bad. It's bad. You can hear people. That's not great. What do we have here? Metal stuff. You could like get under here if we really try. Oh, like nothing here. Planks, old planks. Oh, cobweb. Birds are everywhere here. Like lamp. Barrel. I'm on the barrel. There's like nothing here. Okay, let's not fall like down. Let's go this way maybe. Okay, it doesn't look like there is something special. Okay, there's nothing over there. Sounds like somebody's coming, though. That's bad. If somebody's coming, it'll be very bad. Okay. And I think we covered pretty much the whole big thing here. We just have this and this left. We don't know if we can get inside the office or the thing here, because it's like locked and it's a big and heavy door. Don't have something to... Fuck.